Next, let's look at the Identity tab in the Leaked Data section. This is where NordStellar gives you a quick view of your exposure by identity. You can see how many employees are affected, how many have high-risk exposures, how many new compromised identities appeared in the last 30 days, and how many consumers were exposed. From there, the data is split into employees and consumers, so you can investigate each type of exposure separately. Moving to the Employees tab, you'll find a list of exposed employees. You can sort the list, for example, by severity or use filters, which is something you can do across most tabs on the platform. From this view, you can see the employee name, email, what was exposed, the sources of the leaks, the current status, severity, and when the exposure was last detected. When you click an identity event, you get a clear view of what exactly was exposed, what risk it creates, and how the exposure developed over time. You can also see which credentials or other corporate data were leaked, including session cookies that may let attackers bypass MFA. The Consumers tab shows exposed consumer credentials connected to your company's digital services. This is especially useful for companies with customer-facing login portals like e-commerce, financial services, or public sector platforms. If a customer's login credentials for your website appear on the dark web, you can spot the exposure early and act before the account is taken over, for example by triggering a password reset. With the NordStellar Dark Web API, you can also bring this intelligence into your existing workflows, event management platforms, security workflows, or even your login flow. To investigate leaks one by one, go to the Incidents tab. This view organizes the exposure data by incident instead of by identity. You can switch between employee and consumer incidents, and for employees, filter further by malware infections, data breaches, or combo lists. Each incident gives you a quick summary of what was exposed. Open it, and you'll see a detailed view of the leak. Exposed cookies, credentials, files, and technical details like the hardware ID, operating system, and system name. That context helps you track down which company device may be infected or spot when a personal device was compromised while logged into a company account. Once you start working on an incident, you can mark it as in remediation or resolved, so your investigation stays organized.